What's up, guys? Aaron Vanderveen down here with Sherwood Dodge. Today behind me I have a brand new 2021 Jeep Gladiator Overland. You've seen it here first, guys. This vehicle comes with paint match front and rear bumpers along with fenders and mirrors. Now if you come to the side here, it does have your blacked out accents, your black badging, your 20-inch rims. Now in the mirror here, you do have your blind spot detection with your heated mirrors as well. And in the door there, you do have your keyless entry. Now, if you're making our way to the back here, you do have a nice 5-foot box with a rear view camera on the back here. Now, if you pop in the tailgate, it does have the easy drop tailgate with your LED lights on the inside, along with your 150-volt plug in the back. Now, let's go to the inside and check out a couple features. Hey guys, now that we're inside the brand new 2021 Overland, I'd like to show you a couple features that I like personally. Now, the Overland does come equipped fully loaded for a Jeep. Now, this vehicle does come equipped with your normal cruise control, but along with your adaptive cruise control here. Now, if you're making your way to the center console here, it does have the 8.4-inch touchscreen, your heated seats on the passenger side and the driver's side, along with your heated steering wheel. This vehicle has auto on-off, traction control. This is for off-roading, so you can select your speed and 4 low. Now, this vehicle does come equipped with 4 high auto, 4 high part-time, and then 4 low, of course. Now, if you're looking at the center console here, it does have this nice bronze stitching for the Overland. It's very comfortable, very luxurious. Now, if you're looking at the top here, you do have your all-weather speakers for when you want to take the 3-piece top off. And that way, it's nice for doing Jeep things. Now, if you're looking at the center console here, you do have tons of storage. Underneath, there is a second USB and a little light here for at night. And right here, one thing I'd like to mention is your Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. So you can plug that in, your phone goes onto your dash. It's a really nice feature that makes it a lot more safe on the road. Now, if you guys have any questions, please give me a call at 780-729-5517 or come see me at Sherwood Dodge and ask for Aaron Vanderveen. Thank you for your guys' time, and I hope to hear from you soon.